This romantic landscape appears peaceful and quiet, but this is deceiving. Because this lioness is watching out for suitable prey. What she doesn't know is that her perfect meal is just over the hill. These African buffalo are quite slow and not very intelligent, meaning they can be easily hunted by predators like lions. All the wildlife at this waterhole are taking advantage of the cooling mud, oblivious to all the dangers lurking in the surrounding savannah. Finally, the lion spots the buffalo as they move away from the waterhole. The buffalo slowly proceed on their way, but one or two of them seem nervous. They might sense something is watching them. African buffalo have what is called a symbiotic relationship with small birds. The buffalo offers food for the birds in the form of bugs while receiving a cleaning service. Suddenly, the lion and her sister spring into action and give chase to the large herd of buffalo. The buffalo could probably overcome the lions if they would cooperate. This time, though, they escape. Lions are very sociable animals and live together in prides. Apart from hunting and grooming each other, they spend a lot of the day resting. This is mostly to conserve energy and in order to stay hidden. Lions grow up together and form extremely close family and friendship bonds. Today, the sisters failed to bring any food back to the pride, so this lion might have to wait a long time for his next meal. Africa has more to offer. Warthogs are also very common in the Masai Mara. This warthog is a member of the pig family. They aren't particularly territorial animals, but instead occupy what is known as a home range, which they graze on in groups called sounders. They have the distinctive feeding technique of kneeling when grazing. They are herbivores, meaning they feed mostly on grass, leaves, roots, and other organic matter. This lioness has spotted one of the young warthogs and, like the cheetah, knows that young animals are far easier to catch than adults. This meal won't be enough to feed the pride, but will boost her energy enough to help her bring in the next large meal. Suddenly, her hunting instincts swing into action. The young warthog notices the danger and tries to escape. His speed is no match for the lioness, and she makes light work of the hog. Although this is only a small meal, the other lionesses from her pride still crowd around for a snack, but she is in no mood to share. Out of respect, they leave her to enjoy her meal in peace.